Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft music on the Kalimba. The Kalimba, a beautiful thumb piano, is perfect for capturing the simple, melodic essence of Minecraft's soundtrack. We'll cover everything from basic playing techniques to transcribing your favorite in-game tunes. Get ready to bring those iconic melodies to life with your own hands. It's a fun and rewarding way to connect with your favorite game. First, let's master the basics. Hold your Kalimba comfortably, allowing your thumbs free movement over the tines. Use your thumbnails to pluck the tines, aiming for a clear, ringing tone. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pressures. Regular practice of scales and simple tunes will quickly build your dexterity and confidence, preparing you for more complex melodies.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Your support means a lot. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener. It's a game changer for your ride. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the fun part, transcribing. Listen closely to your favorite Minecraft tracks, focusing on the main melody. Many online resources offer Kalimba tabs or simplified sheet music for popular songs. Remember, the Kalimba has a limited range, so you might need to simplify complex parts. Focus on capturing the core feel of the song, even if you can't play every single note. Ready to play? Begin with well-known, simpler Minecraft tunes such as Sweden or Wet Hands. Pay close attention to the rhythm and timing. These are crucial for making the song recognizable. Don't hesitate to experiment with different tines to find the most comfortable and resonant note arrangements. With practice, you'll be playing your favorite game's soundtrack beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.